everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maggie. Today I'm sharing with you my VIB sale haul. I have not done a haul on my channel for a very long time, and it's been a couple of years since I've really, participated in the VIB sale. So yeah, I'm excited to share this stuff with you. I'm excited to have a few new items in my beauty collection to use. Some of these are new to me, some of these are repurchases. I am also engaged in getting married next year. So some of these are like gifts that I thought I'd kind of put aside and, give to like my maid of honor and stuff like that later on. So let's go ahead and dive in. I have a couple of makeup products. The first is a repurchase. I already took it out of the box and recycled the box, but this is the Fenty Primer that I use most days. I absolutely love it. It's the True Matte Pro Filter Primer. Again, really, really love it. I started with the little size just to try it. I loved it, so then I bought the full size. Then I finished up the mini size traveling, so I already repurchased that, and now my full size is getting low. So I do love it so much that I like to have a little size and the full size. So yeah, repurchase this. It is a little bit pricey, but again, it's my favorite primer. I use it every day, and this is the time to buy it when it's on sale. I did meet the rouge status. We'll talk about that a little bit later. It's because of wedding stuff, but anyway, yeah, I was like, you know what? I'm buying another full size one instead of just getting like minis. It'll last a little bit longer, and the price per ounce is a little bit better. I also picked up an Hourglass powder. This is the mini size because I don't need the big compact, but this is the ambient lighting powder in diffused light. So it's kind of the yellowy toned one. I have one of the Hourglass quads from a couple years ago, and I'm using, basically it's this shade. It's a little bit more yellow in the palette as my under eye setting powder. And I love it so much that I have hit pan and I'm working on finishing out in my project pan. But I wanted to get a little mini one so that when that is done, I have something to go to. Being that it's just an under eye setting powder, I don't really use it anywhere else on my face. I thought the mini would be just fine and sufficient, and it's, pretty cute. Obviously, I could have gotten a full size, but I like the mini, and it'll also be nice for traveling to just have something small like this. I don't need all these powder compacts necessarily. So this is something that, I probably won't use it immediately because I'm finishing up that other powder, but I will, tap into that early next year, I'm sure. And then I picked up the YSL little gift set. It has two of their Rouge Volupte Shine lip glosses in it, full size. So I picked up one of these for me and one for a gift. So I've already opened mine and tried them on, but they are the full size. I've never actually had these before. I know that they had their day where they were super popular. I've always want to try them, and they are the formula that I really love. I love the very glossy kind of almost like a little bit transparent, like it's not super, opaque, I guess is the word I'm looking for. So it comes with two very neutral colors. One is N44, which is Nude Lavanier, and then N150, which is Nude Lingerie. I couldn't read those numbers. So anyway, these are them. They have like a little window. They're so pretty. Yeah, I can just kind of top off whatever I'm wearing, or wear them on their own. They're so comfortable, so luxurious. And I just love, like putting these in my bag and then pulling one out to reapply. It feels so glam. So I'm excited about these. And then, yes, I will be gifting this to somebody for Christmas actually this year. So I got two sets of these from the sale, which is great. And it is a really good deal when you look at like how much one of these costs on their own. I thought at first they were going to be like little mini sizes, but I'm very pleased that they're full sizes. I got one skincare product, and it's just a mini. This is the Paula's Choice Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid, SPF 50. I've used this multiple times in the full size. I really, really enjoy it. I am going on a vacation for Christmas with my fiance, so I wanted to get a SPF that's higher, the SPF 50. Right now in winter, I use a 30 every day, but when it is the summertime, I do bump it up to a 50. But I didn't want to buy the full size because it may expire by the time I need to use the whole thing up. So I just got the little mini to bring on our trip with us. It'll be great. It's going to be sunny and tropical. So this is just kind of like a little bit of a maintenance item to pick up. Speaking of my trip, I also picked up the Sol de Janeiro little travel set. I have had this in the past. So it comes in this bag, which actually is a very nice, sturdy bag. I've used it for travel for like, you know, electronics, like headphones and all that stuff in the past, and it's awesome. You could also just use it as your like liquid bag. Okay, so it comes with the spray itself, the body mist, which I love. I've finished it up, love it, so I can't wait to use that again. And it also comes with the shower gel, the cream gel here, and a Boom Boom cream. And this is like a decent size Boom Boom cream. It's not one of the teeny tiny ones. So I will be bringing these tropical products with me. I have traveled with these before for other like warm trips where, you know, you're in the sun and then you rinse off the sand or you rinse off from the pool. And like, this is just a scent memory for me that I'm building still, but it does remind me of like when we took our trip to Miami and one time we went to Phoenix in the middle of winter and went swimming and stuff. So I'm excited to have this again. I also picked up this set as a gift to give to somebody in my life because I think it's just a really nice little gift. And even if you just use it at home, you don't have to take it on a trip, especially in the middle of winter, like just using a kind of special body wash is kind of fun. Okay, speaking of scents, I picked up a perfume. So this is a perfume that I used to wear all the time. It's the Dolce & Gabbana The One. It was like my signature scent in college. I absolutely loved it. I would get one for Christmas and then like just blow through it. So I did get the big size and I still love it. I've just been years without it. So my fiance and I really like Dossier for perfumes and colognes and stuff because it's so inexpensive. It's good quality. And they do dupes for a ton of different scents. They don't do a dupe for this one. So I have been missing it. And I said, you know what? I miss this scent. I'm going to just buy it. I'm just going to buy it. Okay. So, it is so good. I missed it. It's very like vanilla kind of musk. It's one of my favorites. So anyway, picked this up and I was really, really happy about it. And then also to get the sale, of course, made it a little bit easier to justify the purchase. And then I asked my fiance, I was like, okay, I'm going to get a scent that I miss that Dossier doesn't do. Do you have a scent that you miss? And he said, yes, I miss. He got the Gucci Guilty Black. He's had this before. I don't want to open it. He hasn't opened it yet, but he said that he's had this before and he goes with all the things and he wears Creed from time to time. He wears all sorts of stuff. He goes, this is the one I get the most compliments on. So I was like, well, let's get it for you. So he's getting this cologne out of the deal here too. Oh, and I wanted to say along the way, I use Fetch Rewards, which is where you like scan your receipts to earn points. If you don't know about Fetch, I will have my referral code down below. Like we both get so many like bonus points if you sign up, but taking like photos of your Target receipts or grocery store, gas, like every receipt is at least 25 points and it builds up. And so I saved all my Fetch Rewards points and cashed in for a Sephora gift card that I also used on the sale, which I think I might do again next year because that was really nice. I think I got like a $15 or $20 gift card off the top of, you know, the discount already. So that was cool. Okay, a couple other things. I got some hair products. So I am a big lover of the Verb Ghost Oil. I've used it in the past. I have a bottle right now that's almost empty. So I knew I needed to get a new hair oil. And I decided, you know what? One of these bottles lasted me basically the whole year. I'll just get it again. I really enjoy it. So I did get this. And then I have very thin, like fine hair. Like I just don't have a lot of hair. It's pretty and it's long, but I don't have like I don't have a lot of hair coming out of my head. So anyway, I really like the shampoo and conditioner we use. We use Nexus, but I've always been curious to try the Verb Ghost shampoo and conditioner because it is like more weightless. It's for thinner hair. So I wanted to try it just to see if I feel like it really did make my hair feel, you know, any like more volume or anything like that. I don't feel like the shampoo and conditioner we use right now is too heavy, but I don't really have a comparison. So anyway, I decided to pick up these bottles. I thought about getting the really big ones. And I thought, no, just in case you don't like it, just get like the normal bottles because we can power through 12 ounces, no problem. So I got these to try. We'll see. They have the same great scent that the oil has. So I really love that. And then the last thing is for my wedding. So One of my favorite scents is the Jo Malone Red Roses candle. So that's what this is. It comes in this beautiful box. And so we got a few of these. We're having a small wedding next year, and I'm allowed to have real candles going. They already come, like my venue already has candles that they'll be burning, like little tea lights. And I asked, can I bring a couple of my own candles just to have like a scent in there? And they said, oh yeah, absolutely. So I got a couple of these Jo Malone Red Roses candles to have going just for like a nice scent and kind of that like scent memory of the wedding. Obviously I'm going to have photos and like all these memories, but I really love the idea of a scent memory. And then like on our anniversary, we can burn our candle. Like, I don't know, it's just something that's very special to me. So I bought a couple of these, and these are not cheap candles. They're $80 each. So I was ready to hit the VIB sale. So what I did is I bought like all of this beauty stuff in one order, which put me into Rouge. So then I get 20% off. I waited for that to clear my account. And then I ordered the candles and got the 20% off of them. So yeah, we'll be burning a few of these, and then we'll also be giving a few of these away to like special people, like my maid of honor, parents, things like that. So I did have to buy a number of these, but again, having the 20% off really, really helped. So yeah, that was kind of the big purchase. And now I'm Rouge for next year, which I guess is like, I don't know, not something I'm really proud of necessarily, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm very pleased with the purchases. I feel like I was able to restock. I was able to pick a couple of new things to try. I was able to get a few gifts, a few wedding things. So overall, I feel like my Sephora VIB sale haul this year is very like meaningful and good, but not over the top. So yeah, that's what I got from the VIB sale. I'd love to hear about your experience. Did you purchase anything? Did you skip out? I definitely have skipped out on a lot of sales, but this was just the time to do it for me. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.